Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. We using first pink color. A for apricot, B for banana, C for carrot, D for donut, E for eggplant, F for fish, G for goat. Purple color. H for house, H for house, I for eyes, J for joker, K for kite, L for lime, M for mango, N for nest. Red color. O for orange, P for piano, Q for queen, R for ring, S for strawberry, T for tiger, T for tiger, U for unicorn. Blue color. V for village, W for water, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Pink color, purple color, red color and blue color. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.